You think you've seen crazy car mods? Not even close. Because Japan doesn't just modify cars, they turn them into rolling art pieces, glowing monsters, and machines that look like they escaped from an anime. This is the world of Japan's weirdest car mods. Japan's car culture is built on one thing: standing out. Back in the 80s, young drivers wanted to escape Japan's strict, uniform society, and the easiest way to rebel? Build a car nobody could ignore. Let's start with one of the wildest styles ever created: Bosozoku. These cars look like they were designed during a fever dream. Exhaust pipes sticking out like skyscrapers, neon paint, oversized wings, and loud engines meant to disturb the peace. Bosozoku started with biker gangs who later moved into cars. Every modification was meant to shout, "We don't follow the rules." Today, they're rare, but still some of the most iconic and bizarre cars Japan ever produced. Next, we jump into something even more extreme: Dekotora, or decoration trucks. These are full-size trucks covered in chrome, thousands of LEDs, custom murals, and interiors that look like a nightclub. The trend exploded after a famous 1970s movie series about flashy truckers. Some owners spend years customizing their trucks, turning them into moving light shows worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. They don't look real, but in Japan, this is a respected art form. Now let's talk about Itasha, the anime cars. Painful car is what the name literally means, because decades ago, people thought these cars were embarrassing. But fans embraced that shame and made it iconic. Their cars are covered in massive anime decals, characters, and sometimes full LED displays synced to anime openings. It's loud, it's colorful, and it's pure passion. What used to be cringe is now one of Japan's biggest car subcultures. Then we have Japan's tiny legends: K-cars. Small engines, small bodies, small taxes, but huge creativity. People turn these little boxes into mini supercars, tiny off-roaders, slammed drift toys, and futuristic builds. In Japan, even the smallest car can have the craziest personality. Today, Japanese car culture continues to evolve. Tokyo's night meets are full of stance cars, VIP sedans, and even cyberpunk-style builds glowing under neon lights. What started as rebellion has turned into art, fashion, and global influence. Car communities from the US to the Middle East look to Japan for inspiration, because in Japan, mods aren't just about performance, they're about identity. Every wild design, every glowing light, every anime decal tells a story about creativity, freedom, and being unapologetically unique. So the next time you see a crazy Japanese build online, just remember, in a country where everything is expected to be neat, quiet, and controlled, car mods became the loudest way to express yourself. Thanks for watching. If you drive one of these insane builds, hit that like button and subscribe for more unbelievable car stories from around the world.